Is there really anything better than setting out on a quest for glory, for fame, for the king? No. No, there's not. And that's why we're here doing it today. I have not played this game before, and hopefully it's quite a lot of fun. I just saw it in Epic Games because it's one of the free games that we got a while ago. Okay, we're just going on Apprentice and solo. Figured I'd check it out. Looks very homey. I'm enjoying it. Blacksmith, Hunter, Scholar, Minstrel. I don't know what a minstrel is, so... Do I get all three of these characters? The Blacksmith. Bjorn. Bjorn. There we go. That's the spelling we wanted. The Archer, Robin. And our Scholar, Pip. Okay, I'm not going to customize all of them. They look beautiful already. Good King Bronner has been slain. Oh no. The once peaceful kingdom of Farul is being corrupted by wild chaos energy and ravaged by monsters and bandits. The grieving Queen Rosamund has called for Farul's ordinary citizens to search the land for the king's murderer and the source of the chaos energy. A tale now begins in the Guardian Forest, where there has been rumors of suspicious activity and sinister strangers in the woods. Three would-be heroes meet in Orton to begin their quest. Damn right we do. Aw, Rosamund. First the wizard Vexor vanishes. Then my own husband was slain in his palace. You may be the last hope for Farul. Probably not. Let's be honest. I can't do anything correctly. Seek out Hildebrandt in Woodsmoke. You will be told how to best aid our efforts. Your quest has begun. Strive against the chaos, lest our realm be consumed by it. Quest: go to Woodsmoke in the Guardian Forest. I can do that. Oh. Turn start. Movement points determine how far you can travel and are gained by testing your quickness stat. The amount of slots tested depends on terrain, weather, and buffs. Okay. So if we go there, we have none left. Ooh, the big baddie up there. Now we'll just go straight to our quest. Let's not die before the game begins. Characters move and take their turns individually. When ready, click the hourglass icon to end the current character's turn. If preferred, auto end turn can be enabled in the options menu. Okie dokie. Where's the flag? Ah. Whose turn is next? Robin. She gets, what, 4 movement? I feel like they should probably stick together. Can they all walk in the same? They can. Energy boosts +1 movement. Oh, sweet. Always good to see new faces join the quest. I am Hildebrandt, the Queen's agent overseeing things in the Guardian Forest. Things are bad here. Really bad. How bad, tell me? All signs point to some evil folk who have locked themselves away in the glittering mines. Well, there's not much food in the mines, so just let them stay in there. I'll work on getting you down there. In the meantime, a strange contraption has been spotted. Go investigate. Yes, sir. And some angry folk in fancy robes have made themselves right at home. Best prepare for a good fight. Kill the Chaos Leader. Okay. What we got on the market? Some mead? We need that. Weapon cards show which stat and how many times it will be tested when attacking. Try to match weapons with your character's strongest stats to increase your effectiveness in battle. Hold shift to view when viewing a weapon card to see more details about each special attack. Rusty knife. Okay. How do I know what their stats are? There we go. Strength, vitality, intelligence, awareness, talent, speed, and luck. Okay, let's not buy anything. Well, we gotta buy some mead. That's a given. Services. In meditation, healer, blessing. Alright. We will leave. And end. She's no more spots left there. Yeah, end turn. Alright, Pip. Where are we going? You know, you can come check out the thing. They'll join you after. Uh-oh. You've stumbled upon Dark Cave. What an original name. Mini dungeons are short but cannot be escaped until they are cleared. I don't want Pip to go in a dungeon on his own. That sounds like a bad idea. I'll just go there. Bjorn. Is Bjorn a female? I think I might have goofed. Alright, Bjorn, you're going in the cave. Your party might not be ready for this. Be warned, dungeons can only be escaped by completing the entire dungeon. Stock up on supplies first. Okay, yeah, maybe we shouldn't. Maybe we shouldn't do that. Let's just continue. You can go over here. Ooh. Game of cards. A card sharp eyes you from beneath the rim of his hat. If you've the coin, I have a very interesting wager for you. Let's do it. I have the coins, probably. I don't even know what happened. But we got 12 coins, so I'll take it. I'm gonna fight this guy. Combat radius. Friends or foes on highlighted hexes will join in combat, ambush an enemy to isolate them in combat, and gain initiative or sneak past them to avoid. Oh, I'm ambushing. Oh, but there's a chance of failure. The odds are in our favor. The odds were not in our favor. Each action slot tests one of your 7 main stats. The higher your stat, the better your chance of success. Ooh. Okay, so we have flee. Obviously not fleeing. Shot. Okay, let's shoot. Nice. Get dicked on. Oh, and I dodged them. These birds suck. Trash birds. Okay, let's do... just standard attack. Bam! Get out of my house. Oh no. How does an arrow to the eye only do 2 damage? That's a beefy bird. Enemy info is shown at the top of the screen. Enemy health is shown on the right in red. Enemy level is shown on the left. Armor resistance and immunities are shown beneath their health bar if present. Okay. That's health level. Yeah. Bam! Dude, he's vicious with that. Bjorn did not come to play. Is that the end for you? Alright. Alright, Pip. Catch up with them. Focus. Focus can be used on encounter rolls to boost your odds of success. Replenish focus by resting in towns, safe camps, or with various consumables. Okay, what are we attempting here? Destroy cult devices to reduce... Okay, we're trying to destroy it. Ooh, easy success. -1 Scourge, -1 Chaos, +1 life. +1 life? Great work. They'll think twice about leaving their junk in my forest. Well, I mean, you didn't really do anything, but that's fine. Alright, Bjorn, where are we going? Our next quest is all the way up here. Maybe I should turn that auto end. Go catch up with them. We must kill the old man in the hood. Wait, what happened to Pip? He's become a pile of rubble. Oh, he's okay. He's fine. He didn't degrade into a pile of rubble. He's still alive. Timeline. The timeline shows the current road. Rising Chaos, special events, and the passage from day to night. You don't say. Okay, let's make sure everybody is in the location before we fight. We don't need Bjorn taking on an entire boss on his own and inevitably failing. Oh, go farther. Good job, Pip. You're so good. You're doing a great job. Oh, that doesn't look too good. Attack! 11% chance of success? I don't really like those odds. We'll just fight. The Chaos Leader. There's more of you. You should really consider joining us instead. Honestly, probably not a bad idea. Physical armor. This enemy is armored. Physical armor is represented by the blue shield underneath the health bar. Armored enemies will block the value of their armor for all physical damage. Okie dokie. That ignores armor. 73% chance. Yeah, let's do that. You said it ignores armor, but he blocked it. Player status. Any ailments, buffs, and debuffs that a character has are shown next to their portrait. Learn more about each of their effects and how to cure them in the encyclopedia. You know I don't read. Youchies. Where's Pip at? I thought he was here. Perfect 25%. 5 splash damage. Can I choose who? Can't. Hit him. And the splash damage. Oh, a perfect one. We're insane. Let's get him first. Nice. A sweet block. Oh my lord. Robin, you're gonna die. Combat actions. When attacking, odds of success are driven by your character's. Yeah, we know. Whatever, man. We don't need you. Okay. The splash damage will kill him. Oh my god, we almost failed. Oh, we technically did fail, it seems. It's kind of stupid. Jeez, our rolls suck. Where's Pip at? How do I get Pip in the fight? Replenish 15 HP. Oh. Yeah, eat them herbs. Yummy. Alright, now shoot the shit out of this guy. What a legendary shot. We don't need the splash damage on him, right? Yeah, we just... Oh, perfect! And one more. Oh, okay. Big sad. Oh! He killed Bjorn! I'm sorry, Bjorn. I didn't realize your health was so low. Using focus can be the difference between life and death. Most combat roles can be focused to guarantee success. Use focus. Oh. Revive? Nah. Who needs Bjorn? Where's my focus at, though? This? Oh, yeah. Focus points. Hell yeah. We lost Bjorn in this fight, but honestly, we got some coins out of it, so kind of worth. A fallen character skips their turn, but can be revived by another character on the same hex. After several turns, they have the option of being revived in town for a penalty to their XP. Nah, Robin will get him. Thanks for dealing with those pointy-hatted weirdos, but I have a feeling we haven't seen the last of them. The chaos has diminished. We have a chance. Rising Chaos will introduce new challenges. Completing main quest objectives and destroying chaos generators will remove existing chaos and future chaos events from the timeline. Maybe there's something special about you. I am pretty special. I've been told a lot. I've managed to open the glittering mines. Head down there when you are good and ready. Oh, and if you can spare some time, please deliver this letter to the family of another group of adventurers who, were on a totally unrelated quest. Of course, of course. Enemy info. The level of the enemy is displayed above their name. Yeah. Look at that little goblin. Oh, he's ready to punch me in the face. Alright, let's go revive this guy. Come here, Bjorn. You're not done yet. Eat some stuff. It'll make you feel better. Oh, you can only do it in combat. That's fine. Okay, let's do it with Pip now. I feel like before we do that, should get some resources. Eh? At Woodsmoke. Market. Can we get Bjorn a new weapon? What weapon does Bjorn have? How do I know? Oh my god, get out. Bjorn! How do I know what weapon you're carrying? Who knows? Let's buy him a spear. Let's give him a... Yeah, let's buy him a spear. Oh wait, did I only buy that for Pip? Pip ain't need a spear. He just reads. Ah, whatever. A nice day, +2 movement. Oh, weapon merch? I just bought a spear! Alright, let's see what you got. Even though I wasted all my money. Oh. He has so much. A heavy sword? Bjorn would love that. Hopefully you come back to me later. Alright, Bjorn. How do I equip things for you? I don't understand. Oh, here we go. Inventory. Oh, yeah, it literally is just... I can't give it to him? Oh, there we go. I have to be closer. Okay. That's fine. We can get close enough. Alright, give me that spear. Thanks. Now... +1 armor. Wait. Charge and defensive stance. But it has less damage. But I get more armor. But a blacksmith hammer is pretty cool. Nah, we'll take the spear. We'll take the spear. Hell yeah. Alright, let's go purge this thing. Oh wait, yeah, I need Pip to be closer. Even though he didn't do anything last time. He kind of just watched. Oh, it just brings everybody there anyways. Using belt items. Most items on a character's belt can be used in and out of combat by selecting them on your turn. Yeah, I already did that. What's that? Safe distances. Oh, to dodge? Heavy draw. Oh wow, 17. Wait, that's actually killer. This guy's only at 16 health. We just one-shot him. Oh! 21 damage. Robin, you're about to get promoted. Keep playing like that. Okay, don't attack Bjorn anymore. He's not in a good mood. Oh, Pip's actually here, look at that. Decided to finally show up. 6 damage, but ignore resistances. Or 4 damage to everyone. Let's do that one. Oh my, the rolls are out of this world. Okay, you gotta eat. There we go. So that's how we defend. Defensive stance. Armor up. Nah, screw that. Let's try and kill this guy. Please focus. Bam. Wait, 5? Is it 9? Oh wait, he's armor. Clearly I'm just no brain. No brain at all. Damn. Oh wait, the splash damage will kill him. Never mind. He literally just said, I'm out. Harry Houdini did it. Damn. Dude, Pip's a legend. Oh, I can choose who gets it. That's cool. Sweet, new staff. Trading. Yeah, we know trading. Bjorn's turn. Make any final preparations. Yeah, we want to. This guy wants his new staff. Hell yeah. Badass. Alright, get me out of this. We're ready. Oh, Misty, bitch. Yeah, you already told us about resistances. I was at 12? 12 with 3 armor? But if we do 17... Ah. 10's pretty good. I'll take that. Oh, we got rid of our abilities. Oh. Now all we have is a standard attack. Oh, we have a heal. And a time jump. You know, these don't really explain very well what it does. But whatever, that's fine. Let's throw it at this guy. Shebang. Oh, he's a magic shield, I see. Okay. Let's kill the bat. Oh. Bjorn, you suck. Get off the team. You're fired. Can't use a spear. Immune to bleeding, immune to stun days. Okay, let's go with Shaman. The Shaman needs to die. You see, Bjorn? Robin can do it. Robin doesn't miss. Terrible. Pip doesn't miss, and he's using... They're both using ranged. Unreal. You better make up for it right here. Alright, I forgive you. Let's go. Super easy. Robin will just... I feel like if... Probably should give her a gold to Pip. He's not even being attacked ever. Allows users to instantly travel to an empty land. That's pretty cool. +2 movement. Use it during combat to gain +25 speed. Ooh. So give that to the archer. Nope, we are ready. Oh, not a big square slime. What's he immune to? Everything. Nice. Dingy is 30 health. Okay, wait. We can just kill these guys off first. Or not. God damn it, he hit for... You make me so sad. Okay. Wait, why is my damage down? That's not cool. Well done. Holy poison, man. Alright, Pip, we're gonna need some healing. Okay, I don't know if I want to just kill this person. Probably should just get it over with. Yeah, let's do it. Very nice. And then you, if all goes well, you will die in 1 hit. 49% accuracy because I'm poisoned. Can we get rid of it? Temporarily numbs pain and fully negates all damage. It's for the next attack. Nah. Movement speed. 3 focus. Oh, that's right. I can use focus. Oh, that's actually... What if we did that? Planet. Oh, it... I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. And he's protected. I'm an idiot. No. I wasted all my focus. I'm such a dumbass. All right, heal everybody up so I can feel better about myself. I can't believe I didn't realize he had protection. I'm so mad. Brother, you only have 2 to go, and you could just never seem to get them. You're kind of pissing me off. You hear that, Bjorn? I'm really thinking about ditching you, buddy. Look at your dumb little face. You think you're so tough. Alright, kill this freaking slime. Hell yeah, big hit. Oh, another big hit. Bjorn, if you let me down, I swear to God you will not eat tonight. Trust me. I swear. It'll happen. You son of a bitch. That's it. You're sleeping on the ground. I don't want to hear any complaining. Alright, give it to Pip. Good. Permanent +2 evasion. Actually good. Permanent? Oh my gosh, that's great. Wait, can I drink it right now? Hell yeah. 11 physical damage for a torch? What's the... Might as well, right? Give it to Bjorn. You know, he doesn't really deserve any new items for how terrible he's been doing. But at the same time, somehow a torch is better than a spear. But honestly, I'm not complaining. I mean, I am, but that's beside the point. Pip, you've been a good lad. You can open it. Uses herb to be relieved of all curses. Okay, put that on him. Equip. Ooh. Plus, but this is evasion. I wish if I had like a, I don't know, some sort of like rogue, maybe. Can he use a shield? Who knows? This Dan poison. Kind of ruining my day. What's up with this? A wooden door? Bjorn, we care about you the least, so you go first. Jesus Christ, he can't do anything right. Oh, he got injured trying to bash a door down. Pip, show him how it's done. You're getting shown up by the priest. Oh. What are we gonna do with him? Alright, it's Robin's turn. Party rest. Used to create a camp at which all party members may heal and regain focus. We don't really need that. It's not like we're getting bodied. We're doing pretty well. Yeah, screw you, Bjorn. We don't care about you. Alright, 14, 16. Let's go this guy first. Let's shoot him right in the noggin. Well, actually, let's do this, and then Pip can kill him. Son of a... Why you do me like this? Requires God's bread. Oh, I didn't realize. Well, that's not good. Scholar's book. Oh, wait, actually, this has increased damage against undead. Let's hit this guy. Oh. Pip, you're just the best. Oh god, Bjorn is so dead. Oh, nice dodge. Goodbye, Bjorn. Oh wait, actually. Nope, he has no healing. No, that's not good. Draw attention. That's quite literally the opposite of what I want you to do. 81%. Oh, this actually area. It's 3, of course, though. 1 off. Nah, just hit him for... Oh, perfect. He's really bringing it back. He's gonna die from fire, right? So we should shoot him. Nice. He'll burn, right? Right? I'm really just banking on that. No, don't hit Bjorn! Why? I know I talk crap about him, but I'm gonna miss him. Very nice. Lightning Talisman. Damage against lightning. Damage against lightning? And they get shock immunity. Let's put it on Robin. Magic damage? Ooh, definitely. Pip. Give yourself that beautiful crystal. Alright, get your ass back in here, Bjorn. Okay, we got... Okay. So Pip does quite a lot of damage against the undead, so... Let's take care of... Let's go for it. Ooh, not the best. Not the best. Youchies. 3 focus. I haven't used any of the focus for him. Mainly because, like, kind of just destroys him anyways. Let's do this. Kill him. Hell yeah. God, you're such a legend. I do have mead that I bought. Maybe we do area. Yeah, let's do that. Perfect. Damn, that burn does a lot. I actually really like that. Alright, kill this man. Or completely fail. It's fine. It's fine. Once again, Pip will show you all how it's done. Alright, smack the shit out of him. Yeah, this weapon is, doesn't do very much damage. I mean, the burn actually is quite nice. Alright, Pip, bring it home. Oh, when does he ever miss? Collect. Ooh, damage against undead. Wait, actually good. What? 8 magic damage, 10 gold modifier. This one is damage against undead, health regen. What are their abilities? A pierce attack and a standard attack. Ignores armor and resistances, but that just has standard. Oh, I don't know. I really like the staff. I think we're gonna keep the staff. We'll just collect it. Already. Actually, wait, we should use a camp. We could. Who needs... You need to drink. So, he has a 61% chance of full. He only has a 36. Yeah, but he needs a lot. Oh, no way. Oh, he actually got it. Robin, you're a legend. And they got all their focus points back. Alright, last time we had Pip, or Bjorn, trying to bash a door down, it was quite embarrassing. Alright, prove yourself. Alright, you got it, but I still don't forgive you for everything else. The Chaos Priestess. He looks kind of cool. Oh lord, he does a lot of damage. Okay, let's take out... did we take out the Chaos Priestess first? No, let's just... Alright, you hit the Chaos Priest. Wait, where did his... Numbers of pain and Flinty gets all the damage from next attack, blah, blah, blah. 2 movement. Thought I had a focus thing. Damn, that sucks. Alright, let's go with... Let's just shoot the Chaos Priestess. Nice shot. Alright, you take care of them. Please and thank you. Bjorn should be able to kill this guy. On his next turn. Nice dodge. Alright, Bjorn, smash his face in. Legend. That's a great mace. We'll have Robin just keep shooting at him. Hell yeah. Pip, you take care of him. My team is doing so well. I'm so proud. Smickety smack. as soon as I say something nice about you, Bjorn, you go and mess it all up again. Unreal. At least Pip can do it. He knows what's up. Oh, jeez, that damage. Kind of nutty. It's alright. Get him. Hell yeah, we'll take it. Ooh, get bodied, priestess. Alright. Take all the gold. 95. Ooh. You, my sir, are very rich. Plus 3 talent. Who uses talent? Probably. 75, 69, 77. What does it do? It affects accuracy with musical weapons, boat movement, and trap disarming. Okay, well. Yeah, we'll just keep doing it. Party evasion, gold multiplier, and luck. Put on him, armor, bam. Damn, we got some really good stuff. Create a magical portal at your location to a destination of your choosing. Cool. That's very cool. Oh, wait. Determined by the user's intelligence. Yeah, I probably should have read that. Hey, you see that scroll? Give that to Pip. Thanks. Alright, let's go. What is this? 77, 78. Go for it. My guy, you killed Bjorn! What the hell, man? You had a 78% chance. Alright, we're not risking it. I can't believe he just murdered his teammate. The chaos has diminished. We have a chance. -2. What the devil? Whatever you did down there has dispelled a massive illusion over the sea. A tower can only be Harazu, gateway to the sanctum of chaos. Thought it was just a myth? No myth? You have revealed my tower, but you know not how to reach it, or what it portends. Villain, surrender yourself and end this madness, lest you tempt my wrath. That voice. Go to Perid in the Golden Plains with all haste. Drea Palor, my counterpart there, will be able to fill you in on your next move. Okay. However, that will be the end of this episode, so if you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe, because I'll probably make a full series out of this, since so far it's a lot of fun. Bjorn hopefully gets a little better, you know, kind of pissing me off, but until then, we'll call it good. Later.